Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually exit a group without the people of your group knowing. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, the first thing that you will do is simply just go to your settings. Simply just go to your settings over here. Swipe down till you find apps. Go to apps. Again, tap on apps over there, and here you can simply search your particular app, or you can simply scroll down and find it as well. You will see this notifications option, right? Simply tap on that notification option. Here you can see all the notification type. Then finally you will see this option called group notifications. Simply tap on that option. Here you can see this group notifications is allowed. You will simply turn off this notification. Then you will go back to your WhatsApp right here, and then you will just go to the particular group that you are in. What you will do is simply tap on this three dots. You can see this option called more, and you can see this exit group over there as well. So what you will do is simply just tap on this exit group option. As you can read over here, the group admin will get notified that you have left the group. Other member will not be able to. So yeah, this is how you can simply do it. Simply tap on this exit option and you are now out of that group, and your admin will know, other members will not know about. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.